Jai Jawan. Salim Ghafoor Sheikh, the bus driver who defied terrorist bullets and saved 52 Amarnath pilgrims. In the face of terror, only a few dared to think beyond their own safety. And driver Salim Ghafoor Sheikh was determined to save around 60 passengers aboard his bus when terror attacks struck 61 Amarnath Yatra pilgrims in Jammu and Kashmir in July 2017. The attack near Batengo in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag district claimed 8 lives and injured 14 victims. But thanks to Salim, more than 50 lives were saved. And to honor the display of bravery and courage by the 37-year-old driver displayed, he was conferred the Uttam Jeevan Raksha Padak in 2018. This is the second highest gallantry award for civilians. The Jammu and Kashmir government and Sri Amarnath Ji Shrine Board separately announced rewards totaling ₹5 lakh for Sheikh Salim Ghafoor. Salim was one among 43 other awardees from across India to be honored for the Jeevan Raksha Padak series of awards 2017 approved by the President. Salim, who is a resident of the Valsad district of Gujarat, was lauded for his feat by the Chief Minister of Gujarat, Vijay Rupani, had announced last year after he returned with the Amarnath pilgrims. It was at the time that the Chief Minister had said that the Gujarat government would recommend his name to the Centre for the Bravery Award. What happened at the Amarnath Yatra in July 2017? Around 8:30 pm on July 10, 2017, the day of the attack, Salim heard a barrage of bullets hit the side of the bus. Bravely, he decided to drive the vehicle at full speed through the pitch dark and adverse mountain terrain with a flat tire to not let any more bullets in. He drove for over 2 kilometers non-stop till he spotted an army camp. In an interview with Asian News International, he said, "God gave me strength to keep moving and I just did not stop." Salim informed his cousin Jawad about the attack in a phone call around 9:30 pm. He told me that he did not stop there when terrorists fired, only looked for a safer spot for pilgrims. He couldn't save 8 lives, but managed to move 50 people to a safe place. "I'm proud of him," said Jawad, a resident of Valsad in Gujarat. Praising Salim's bravery, an injured woman at the Anantnag district hospital told New Delhi Television Limited, "My driver was so brave, he drove on. There was firing from all 3 sides. Our driver managed to take a bus a few kilometers ahead. He saved us," said another injured pilgrim. For Ghafoor, the Uttam Jeevan Raksha Padak, however, brought back memories of that fateful night. "I'm not really happy to hear about the award. It just reminds me that night that 8 among us could not be saved," Ghafoor told Hindustan Times. Though the incident has left a deep scar on his mind, the father of 3 is eager to go back to Amarnath. It was the 4th trip to Amarnath for his 39-year-old, who says the incident has only increased his zeal for the work. In the past 6 months, Ghafoor, who earns ₹1,000 per day from travel agency he is associated with, he has been constantly on the move. "Since then, I have taken tourists to many places across India, such as Mahabaleshwar, Goa," he said. Ghafoor, however, gives much of the credit to Harsh Desai, the bus owner's 26-year-old son, who was giving him company in the driver's cabin. Harsh, who hails from Surat, runs the travel agency. Recollecting the incident, Ghafoor said, "From nowhere it started raining bullets. For a fraction of a second, my mind went blank. It was Harsh who encouraged me and I kept driving." Though Ghafoor escaped unscathed, Harsh suffered 3 bullet injuries. Jai Hind.